You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from the Bible, biblical names and names of kings of Israel. So how do you say the name of the fifth king of Israel? Zimri. Zimri is how it is said in English, stress on the first syllable, Zimri. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. More videos here on how to say more interesting biblical names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.